YouTube, what's going on? So, in today's video, I'm looking to make a Bitcoin prediction. I know that everyone is up in the raw in in what's going on in the stock market. In one of my last video, I told you guys about this right here, about ES, right? I said that ES was when this happened, right? I said that we are gonna come up within 3 candles and test, and then we're going to have a continuation on, and that's exactly what happened. Now they really tried to convince you that we were enter into a new bull market, but as you can clearly see, the 3 EMAs like this never crossed over. So I'll explain to you how this EMA works, right? My 3 EMA strategy. They got the 9, the 12, and the 20. Once the green enters over both the indicators, and it looks like this, within 3 candles, there usually needs to be a retest. Because what I realize is, after the 3 candles, if it doesn't retest then it signals like a weak signals, right? But obviously sometimes you can have a push, but the strongest ones I've seen is when it retests within 3 candles. Now, as I said, this right here, close, then we will go back, retest, then sell off. Happens almost every single time. And then a continuation down. So ES is not done. Same thing right here. You get the buy, usually retest, that's the same thing. Sell, this is what I mean by you get the sell, 1, 2, 3 candle, needs to be a retest, because when if it retests any other way, it tends to continue. It breaks the trend and continue up. It's like weakness. Let's look at it down here. All right, you get the buy, 1, 2, 3, retest, go. Right. So the reason why I'm showing you ES before I show you Bitcoin is just so you guys understand the strategy. Again, buy right here, 1, 2, 3, retest, really retest right here, continuation, right? See that? Okay. Same thing here. Sell, 1, 2, retest, continuation. So the reason why I'm showing you all that, same thing here as well. 1, 2, 3, retest, continuation. So what do you see here? Right? 1, so you have 1, so within the next 3 days there should be a bull run up to test, right? Now the test doesn't necessarily mean a continuation automatically, right? But it is a very good 3 EMA strategy that usually prove very consistently, right? So until right this particular moment, I like to do this. This is why I like using the line chart every once in a while to look at my strategy, because the line chart actually show you where price is actually moving, right? So right now we're gonna have a push up. We're gonna have a push up. No, unfortunately, you can try to make prediction, but there's no guarantee. You could say we're gonna test right here. There's top right here. You could test it. Could break it a little bit. But at this particular moment, it doesn't look good for Bitcoin on the 1-day chart. On the higher time frame, which is also on one of my videos I made, I said this is called 3 months resistance line. I said, hey, I think we're gonna go test this and continue down. I'll show it to you. As I made this into a video, I was like this, and I said, hey, because this didn't touch yet. We were somewhere down here. And I said, this was suspicious, because right here, top, right? We broke it, right? Came back for the retest, did not hold, we break it, we came down more, then we go for the retest. This kind of closed in a month and 27 days. So we might not come down, we might like maybe come down, but we might continue up because there's a prediction that in November, before November, we're gonna have a bull run, right? So it doesn't mean we're gonna probably have a complete sell off, but we are definitely gonna have a sell off because the chart's definitely saying that right now. So yeah, so back to why I'm making the video. As you can clearly see, one, right? So within the next 2 days to 3 days, there should be a bull run up to 3,000 type thing. Let's say 3,000 because this can come down more up to 3,000. Then you're gonna have a continuation down, right? So I'll keep you guys posted in what I see in the charts in the next upcoming days, but just be prepared for a dead cat bounce in the next few days. Okay, guys, peace.